Welcome to Home Squad Reviews. In this video, we're going to unbox and install the Yodolla 100-inch motorized projection screen. And guys, because we're approaching the season of giving, I'm going to be giving away one of these projection screens. So you're going to have to watch the whole video because I'll be sprinkling tips throughout the video on how you can actually enter to win this projector screen. So let's get started. Disclaimer: YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. I am responsible for the planning, the selection of the winner, as well as the delivery of the prize to the winner. Okay guys, grab your pens. I'm going to be giving you 3 tips right now. Tip number 1 is that you need to have a US address for this item to be mailed to. Tip number 2, you need to subscribe to this channel as well as the Yodolla channel. I'll leave the URL in the description. And tip number 3, you need to take a picture proving that you subscribe to both channels. Okay guys, let's get back to the video. I'll be giving you 3 more tips further down in the video. This is how it came. Box seems to be in good condition and it is covered with plastic that seemed to be a little beaten up, but the box itself is actually in really good condition. Now let's see what's inside of the box. Just pull this plastic off. Yes, it seems to be packaged really nicely. There are 3 items. The mounts, user manual, as well as the power cord that has a remote on it, as well as a cordless remote. Let me show you this in a clearer way. Here it is. So we have the user manual here. The mounts, you can actually hang it or mount it on the wall, which is pretty cool. The remote, and it has this little holder thing that it comes with, which is pretty cool as well. You can mount this to the wall. And the plug that comes with a remote on it. Alright, let's remove this out of the packaging and just check the condition of it. So it comes with dual wall and ceiling mounts, has wired and wireless controls. Projection screen weight is 18.7 pounds. Screen size is 87 by 49.2 inches. Has premium PVC matte projector screen, 160-degree viewing angle. Handles 4K high definition image quality in both bright and dim environments. Ultra quiet motor that lifts, drops smoothly without jamming and has long service life. The idea here is to find the center of the projection screen as well as the center of my sliding door. Okay, in my case, the width of the projection screen is 100 inches. So I'm going to mark at the 50-inch point. I'm gonna have my wife help me out with this. So it works out to 96 inches. And I'm gonna be marking it at the 4 feet point, which is halfway. Okay, I'm now gonna be lining up the center points. From from the projector screen with the center points on my sliding door. I'm gonna level off, and my wife is gonna mark the holes that I'll be drilling. Okay. Now I'm gonna drill the hole. Unfortunate for me, this is actually drywall, so I just need to apply pressure and it should just go right through the area. You just need to open up the hole a little. And that is it. Alright, I'm gonna move on to the left side. Same thing, apply some pressure, and that's pretty much it. I just have to open the hole a little. And that is it. Okay guys, it's time for your next 3 tips. Now tip number 4 is that you need to be 18 years or older to enter this giveaway. Tip number 5 is that after subscribing to both channels, you need to send an email to homesquadreviews@gmail.com. The subject of this email needs to be giveaway. The body has to have your username, your YouTube username, as well as the 2 images to prove that you subscribe to the 2 channels. Guys, I figure I should show this to you because you might encounter the same situation. So each side of the projector screen has like an upside down keyhole. So install the screws first, and the idea was to mount the projector screen on the screws. However, the heads of the screws were too large, and so we had to pull them off and go about mounting the projector screen in a different way. Right, this is our second attempt. What we did here is, instead we first put the projector screen up, and we took the same screws and screw it into the area, and then we use a power drill to screw it in. Now we're gonna attach the power cord. Plug the power cord in to the power socket, and let's see how it works in real time. Using the fixed remote, you can also control the projector. Clicking up, we can stop it, and we can press down. Okay guys, and lastly, a winner is going to be drawn 2 weeks after the start of this giveaway. Winner's YouTube username will be added to the description of this video, as well as an email will be sent to the email that was verified. If the winner does not claim the prize within 2 days, then a new drawing will be done. Then a new winner will be selected from the list of people who entered the giveaway. Guys, you can find all of the rules in the description below. Good luck, and thanks for supporting this channel over the past 2 years. Peace.